So hello future achievers. In the last class, we have covered the cross product, dot product, and we have covered some basic things about the vectors. Now today is this is going to our last session for our vectors, and today we are going to this session is not going to be so much long. It will be not more than half an hour. We will cover the some basic concept. It is very small and concept. Basically, it is not going to be asked so much in the exam, but it is there in the vectors, so we will cover it. And then after that, in the next class, we will practice some more PYQs and some more MCQs, and this is how our complete vector chapter will be bind up. Okay, so let us start with this. Okay, this is our x-axis, and let this is our y-axis, and this is our z-axis. Okay, so this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis, sorry, y-axis, and this is our z-axis. Okay, suppose these things are given. Eh? Okay, and suppose let we have some vector a which is given as ax I cap, ay j cap, and az k cap. This is the my vector a, and suppose that vector b ka angle alpha with the x-axis, beta with the y-axis, and the gamma with the z-axis. Okay, means the angle of vector a with x-axis is alpha. Similarly, the angle with y-axis is beta, and similarly, angle of A with z-axis is gamma. Okay, then cos alpha, cos beta, and cos gamma are called as are called as direction cosine. Are called as direction cosine. Clear? Where cos alpha will be how much? That is defined as ax. That is defined as ax divided by mod of a vector into cos beta will be equal to how much? That is defined as ay mod of a vector. The last is cos gamma, which is defined as az divided by mod of a vector. Clear? So we will get this cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. Okay, clear? That is the first thing. Second thing, second important property we have, that is if we do cos square alpha and cos square beta and cos square gamma, we will get this value as 1. So if we further solve sin square alpha plus sin square beta and sin square gamma, that is 3. In the previous exams, in PYQs of the exam, you will see they have directly asked this expression. Okay, what is this value? So you directly remember it is 3. Okay, simple. Okay, any doubt? So this is one thing, and if I ask you, I can write my a vector as mod of a vector. If you see properly, it is cos alpha I cap plus cos beta j cap plus cos gamma k cap. So that is also one of the important result. that you should remember. Okay, okay, that you should remember. That is also one of the important result. You should remember this result. This is very important. Okay, this is very important from exam point of view. Clear? Mod of a cos alpha I cap, cos beta j cap, and cos gamma k cap. Clear? Covered resultant of the vector. Let's do first one example. Let us take one example. Our favorite example, that is my vector A is equal to I cap plus j cap plus k cap. You have to find cos alpha. So what is my cos alpha? Cos alpha will be 1 upon ax upon root over of this, that is 1 by root 3. What is my cos beta? Cos beta will be again 1 upon root 3. So what is my cos gamma? Cos gamma will be equal to 1 upon root 3. If you solve, you will get this thing only. Clear? Let's check whether my cos square alpha or gamma plus cos square beta plus cos square alpha is equal to 1 or not. Just check. 1 by root 3 square, 1 by root 3 square, 1 by root 3 square, that is equal to how much? If you do this, how much you will get? You will get 3 by 3, that is equal to 1. So proof, like we see that mod of C vector for a resultant defined as a square plus b square plus 2 times of ab into cos theta, that we have seen. What is when the mod of C is maximum? It will be maximum when the maximum is mod of A plus mod of B, correct? When theta is equal to 0 degree and mod of C is equal to minimum, that is mod of A vector mod of B vector का whole mod when theta is equal to 180 degree. So if you try to see the diagram for this, what will be the diagram for this? So it means if this is my vector A, this will be my vector B, means they both will be along the same direction, them will be 0. Okay, so this is my vector A and this is my vector B. But for this case, what will be my diagram? What will be my diagram? This is my vector A and this will be my vector B. Okay, sorry. So this will be my vector A and this will be my vector B. Clear?